Wow. Look at that. Incredible. Incredible.
Magnificent.
Unbelievable.
Stunning tonight.
It's breathtaking. I've never seen anything quite like it.
Truly remarkable.
Hold it there. Check the aft strap tension.
Tension confirmed.
Resume moving. Slow and steady.
The plane is secure, but the entrance is compromised. Let's proceed carefully. Main visual contact.
Все ситуация снять.
Steady, watch the tail. Lowering slow. Check the struts. Clear to release. Release cables.
All right, they're in position. Stand by. Attaching now. Watch for movement.
Engage winches. Cables taut. Proceed. Lifting slowly. Keep it steady. Clear the platform.
Bringing it nice and slow now. Watch that wingtip on the right side. All right, hold it right there. Keep it steady. Watch the clearance on the right. Copy that. Slow and steady.
All right, let's get that wing section secured. Copy that. Moving the beam now. Check the struts on the landing gear. Look at the state of this thing. We've got a lot of work ahead. Focus on the fuselage first. The pressure steady on the tail.
Copy that.
Watch the wiring near the cockpit.
The alignment looking.
Perfect, keep going.
That spot right there, that's the edge of the first bed.
Got it.
We'll set the frame down.
Watch the belt on the left. Steady. Keep it level through the corridor. Almost there. Clear on this side.
Slowly to the left, watch the curve of the fuselage.
Millimeter back on this side. Perfect.
Looks flush, secure it. Clear, inch left. Slow down, slow. Hold it steady. Perfect, hold.
No, just a little bit more. Perfect. Let's bring the loungers up.
Stand by. Standing by. Let's do it. On.